Crash Course on Philosophy of Science, Philosophy of Physics and Cosmology. Discover the philosophical implications of physics and cosmology, including the nature of space and time and the origins of the universe. Certainly, I'd be happy to provide a crash course on the philosophy of science, specifically in regards to physics and cosmology. Introduction. Physics and cosmology are two branches of science that explore the fundamental nature of the universe. While physics studies the behavior of matter and energy at a fundamental level, cosmology studies the origin and evolution of the universe as a whole. The philosophy of physics and cosmology, on the other hand, explores the philosophical implications of these fields, including the nature of space and time, the origins of the universe, and the relationship between science and reality. Interesting examples. One interesting example of the philosophical implications of physics is the debate over determinism versus indeterminism. Determinism is the idea that all events in the universe are determined by the laws of physics and the initial conditions of the universe. In other words, if we know the laws of physics and the initial conditions of the universe, we can predict all future events with complete accuracy. Indeterminism, on the other hand, is the idea that some events in the universe are fundamentally unpredictable. This idea was first introduced by quantum mechanics, which shows that the behavior of subatomic particles is inherently probabilistic. Another interesting example is the concept of time. For a long time, it was assumed that time was an absolute and universal concept, but the theory of relativity showed that time is actually relative to the observer. This has important philosophical implications, as it raises questions about the nature of time and our perception of it. Top 12. The nature of space and time and the origins of the universe. 1. The Philosophy of Relativity. The Philosophy of Relativity examines the philosophical implications of Einstein's theory of relativity, including the relativity of space and time. 2. The Philosophy of Quantum Mechanics. The Philosophy of Quantum Mechanics examines the philosophical implications of quantum mechanics, including the indeterminacy of subatomic particles. 3. The Philosophy of Time. The Philosophy of Time examines the philosophical implications of time, including its relativity and the nature of its passage. 4. The Philosophy of Space. The Philosophy of Space examines the philosophical implications of space, including its three-dimensional nature and its relation to time. 5. The Philosophy of Cosmology. The Philosophy of Cosmology examines the philosophical implications of the study of the origins and evolution of the universe. 6. The Philosophy of the Big Bang. The Philosophy of the Big Bang examines the philosophical implications of the theory that the universe began with a singularity. 7. The Philosophy of Inflation. The Philosophy of Inflation examines the philosophical implications of the theory that the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. 8. The Philosophy of Dark Matter and Dark Energy. The Philosophy of Dark Matter and Dark Energy examines the philosophical implications of the existence of these mysterious substances that make up most of the mass energy of the universe. 9. The Philosophy of Black Holes. The Philosophy of Black Holes examines the philosophical implications of the most extreme objects in the universe, which warp space and time to an extreme degree. 10. The Philosophy of Entropy. The Philosophy of Entropy examines the philosophical implications of the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the entropy, or disorder, of the universe always increases. 11. The Philosophy of Emergence. The Philosophy of Emergence examines the philosophical implications of the idea that complex systems can have properties that emerge from the interactions of their parts. 12. The Philosophy of Science and Reality. The Philosophy of Science and Reality examines the relationship between science and reality, including the question of whether science can ever provide a complete description of reality. Summary. In summary, the philosophy of physics and cosmology explores the philosophical implications of these fields, including the nature of space and time, the origins of the universe, and the relationship between science and reality. This field of study raises important questions about our understanding of the world around us and the limitations of scientific inquiry. For example, the theory of relativity challenges our understanding of time and space, while quantum mechanics challenges our assumptions about determinism and causality. The study of cosmology raises questions about the origins of the universe and the existence of dark matter and dark energy, while the study of black holes raises questions about the nature of space and time in extreme environments. Overall, the philosophy of physics and cosmology is a fascinating field of study that challenges our understanding of the world and raises important questions about the nature of reality. By exploring these philosophical implications, we can gain a deeper understanding of the world around us and the limitations of scientific inquiry. Poem. The Universe, a Mystery to Behold. With physics and cosmology, its secrets unfold. But beyond the equations and theories we know, The philosophy of science, its implications show. Relativity reveals time's relativity. And quantum mechanics, indeterminacy. The universe's origins, cosmology ponders. And dark matter and energy, its secrets wonders. Black holes, extreme environments to explore. While entropy's law, the universe's fate does implore. Emergence shows properties that arise from interactions of parts, a system's surprise. Science and reality, their relationship unclear. Can science ever provide a complete description, we fear? These questions and more, philosophy does raise, as we explore the universe and its mysterious ways. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.